Part of the original factory. You can still see the walls here. Over the years, even before Winnie's time, they already broke down this wall. But there's a picture I think I have from the 1960s in black and white where they have a shot going down into this area here.
Okay.
And this was the original factory area. We do a lot of drilling here with the shotgun tube. We're not even supposed to be doing that. We're supposed to be getting it already pre-drilled. But this is the old method that they used to do, was to get the steel rounds and doing it.
Yeah.
When he's shifting over to getting it already pre-hollowed.
So it's already, yeah.
So you'll still see these machines have been around since my grandfather's time.
Nice.
Now we move over to my time. Well,